Did you know that after age 60, the average person loses up to 8% of their muscle mass every decade? It's called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and it affects more than 45% of adults over 65. But here's the good news, it's not inevitable. And it's not too late to fight back. The secret weapon? Food. In this video, we'll reveal 6 powerhouse foods scientifically shown to rebuild muscle, boost strength, and restore energy, especially for those over 60. Whether you're trying to stay active, avoid falls, or just feel stronger every day, these foods can make all the difference. Stick around, because number 5 is one most people overlook but could be a game changer for overnight muscle recovery. 1. Eggs, nature's protein powerhouse. Let's kick things off with one of the simplest and most powerful muscle rebuilding foods out there, eggs. Eggs are often called the gold standard of protein, and for good reason. Just one large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality, complete protein. That means it has all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle. One of those amino acids, leucine, is especially critical for stimulating muscle protein synthesis, which is the process your body uses to rebuild muscle tissue. But the benefits of eggs don't stop there. The yolk is packed with vitamin D, which plays an important role in muscle function and strength, especially important for older adults, who often have low levels of this vital nutrient. You'll also find choline, which supports nerve signaling to muscles, and healthy fats that help regulate hormone levels involved in muscle maintenance. What's great about eggs is their versatility. You can scramble them, boil them, poach them, or bake them into muffins. And they're easy to digest, making them ideal for older adults with sensitive stomachs. Start your day with 1 to 2 eggs for breakfast, ideally paired with veggies or whole grains. This simple habit can help trigger muscle repair and keep your protein levels steady throughout the day. Bottom line? Eggs are affordable, nutrient-dense, and one of the most efficient ways to rebuild muscle after 60. 2. Salmon. Salmon isn't just heart-healthy, it's muscle-friendly, too. This fatty fish is one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in your muscles. As we age, low-grade inflammation can contribute to muscle breakdown and make it harder to recover after exercise. Omega-3s help counteract this, improving the body's anabolic response to strength training and promoting muscle protein synthesis. But there's more to salmon than just omega-3s. A single 3-ounce serving provides over 20 grams of complete protein, essential for muscle maintenance and repair. And it's also packed with vitamin B12, which plays a crucial role in red blood cell production and energy metabolism, key factors for keeping your muscles fueled and functional. Salmon is also a great source of vitamin D, which supports muscle strength and coordination. Older adults are often deficient in vitamin D, and this deficiency is linked to poor muscle function and increased fall risk. Salmon's soft texture also makes it easy to chew and digest, ideal for seniors who might struggle with tougher cuts of meat. Plus, it's versatile, enjoy it grilled, baked, poached, or even smoked. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon each week. If fresh fish isn't available, canned salmon is a convenient and cost-effective alternative. Just look for options packed in water, not oil. For a simple muscle-supporting meal, try baked salmon with a side of leafy greens and quinoa, a triple threat for strength, energy, and recovery. 3. Greek yogurt, double the protein. Greek yogurt is a standout when it comes to muscle rebuilding foods for older adults. Why? Because it offers nearly twice the protein of regular yogurt, up to 15 to 20 grams per serving. But it's not just about quantity. Greek yogurt provides both whey and casein, 2 different types of protein that your body digests at different speeds. Whey is fast-absorbing and quickly stimulates muscle protein synthesis, while casein is slow digesting and delivers a steady release of amino acids, especially helpful overnight or between meals. This dynamic duo helps build, repair, and maintain muscle mass around the clock. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, which is essential not only for bone health but also for muscle contractions. Add in vitamin B12 for energy metabolism, and probiotics for gut health, and you've got a true superfood for seniors. Another plus? It's soft, creamy, and easy to eat, ideal for those who may have dental issues or appetite challenges. And it's incredibly versatile. Enjoy it plain, mix in fresh berries, add a spoonful of nut butter, or use it in smoothies or dips for added protein without sacrificing taste. Include a serving of Greek yogurt as a post-workout snack or an evening snack to help with overnight muscle recovery. For even more muscle-supporting power, sprinkle in chia seeds or ground flax seeds for fiber and omega-3s. 4. Lentils, plant-based protein plus fiber. Looking for a plant-based way to rebuild muscle after 60? Lentils are one of the best foods you can add to your diet. 1 cooked cup of lentils provides around 18 grams of high-quality plant protein. That's more than many people realize, and it's a complete package for muscle recovery. While lentils don't contain all the essential amino acids in the perfect ratios like animal proteins do, when eaten with other plant foods like whole grains, they form a complete amino acid profile that supports muscle protein synthesis. But it's not just about protein. Lentils are rich in iron, which helps carry oxygen to your muscles, magnesium for muscle contraction and energy production, and zinc, which plays a role in tissue repair and immune function. And let's not forget about fiber. Lentils are loaded with it, around 15 grams per cup, which supports gut health, keeps you full, and helps stabilize blood sugar. This is especially important for older adults trying to maintain a healthy weight and energy level, which is critical for muscle performance and preventing fatigue. Another major benefit? Lentils are incredibly affordable, shelf-stable, and easy to prepare. They don't require soaking, cook quickly, and can be added to a variety of dishes like soups, stews, curries, and salads. They absorb flavors beautifully and pair well with herbs, spices, and vegetables. Try cooking a batch of lentils at the beginning of the week and keep them in the fridge for quick, protein-packed meals. Combine them with brown rice or quinoa, and you've got a complete, muscle-supporting meal that's 100% plant-powered. Whether you're vegetarian, looking to cut back on meat, or just want to diversify your sources of protein, lentils are a smart, nutrient-dense choice for rebuilding muscle after 60. 5. Cottage cheese, the muscle-building bedtime snack. Cottage cheese might not be the flashiest item in your fridge, but it's a quiet powerhouse when it comes to rebuilding muscle after 60, especially while you sleep. What makes it so effective? It's rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids into the bloodstream for several hours. This makes it the perfect nighttime snack for seniors trying to prevent muscle breakdown during sleep. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese contains about 25 grams of protein, most of it in the form of casein. As we age, muscle protein synthesis slows down, and the risk of overnight muscle catabolism, breakdown, increases. By giving your body a slow trickle of protein overnight, cottage cheese helps protect and preserve lean muscle mass while you rest. But there's more. Cottage cheese is also a great source of calcium, which supports muscle contraction and nerve signaling. It also contains vitamin B12, crucial for energy metabolism and red blood cell production, helping your muscles stay oxygenated and strong. And let's not forget tryptophan, an amino acid found in dairy that supports the production of melatonin and serotonin, making cottage cheese a sleep-friendly snack as well. Better sleep equals better muscle recovery. For an easy bedtime snack, try half a cup of cottage cheese topped with berries or a few walnuts. You'll get protein, healthy fats, and fiber, all without a sugar spike. It's affordable, low in calories, and incredibly versatile. Use it in smoothies, mix it into scrambled eggs for extra fluffiness, or spread it on whole grain toast. In short, cottage cheese is one of the most underrated muscle-building tools for adults over 60, especially when eaten at the right time, before bed. 6. Spinach, the unsung muscle hero. Spinach might not scream muscle food, but this leafy green is one of the most underrated weapons in the fight against muscle loss after 60. Let's start with nitrates, natural compounds found abundantly in spinach. These have been shown to improve muscle efficiency, meaning your muscles use oxygen more effectively. In fact, studies show that older adults who consume more dietary nitrates tend to have better muscle strength and walking speed, both key factors in preventing falls and maintaining independence. Spinach is also a rich source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including muscle contraction, relaxation, and energy production. Low magnesium levels are common in older adults and can contribute to muscle cramps, fatigue, and weakness. You'll also get a boost of iron, which helps deliver oxygen to your muscles, supporting endurance and strength. And spinach delivers vitamin K, which is important for both bone and muscle health, and antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, which help reduce inflammation and support cellular repair. But don't worry, you don't have to eat a mountain of raw greens to get the benefits. Spinach shrinks significantly when cooked, making it easy to include more in your diet. Toss a handful of fresh spinach into your smoothie in the morning, you won't even taste it. Add it to omelets, stir-fries, soups, or pasta dishes. You can even sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a quick, nutrient-packed side dish. Spinach is low in calories but high in nutrients, perfect for older adults looking to maintain strength without gaining weight. So the next time you're planning a meal, don't skip the greens. Spinach may not have the protein punch of eggs or yogurt, but it works behind the scenes, supporting the minerals, oxygen, and recovery your muscles need to stay strong after 60. So there you have it, 6 powerful foods to help rebuild muscle after 60. From high-protein options like eggs and Greek yogurt to nutrient-rich picks like spinach and lentils, each one plays a unique role in fighting sarcopenia. But food is just one piece of the puzzle. For best results, combine these choices with regular strength-building exercises and spread your protein intake throughout the day. Small, consistent changes can make a big impact on your strength, balance, and energy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a health tip. Thanks for watching, and here's to staying strong, no matter your age.